ETBI is the National Representative Association for Ireland's 16 Education and Training Boards, ETBs. ETBs and ETBI were established on the 1st of July 2013 to replace VECs and IVEA respectively. ETBs seek to enhance the educational development, employability and career prospects of learners of all ages. ETBs manage 1/3 of second-level schools, educating over 100,000 students. ETBs are patron designates of community national schools. These schools are child-centred, inclusive, multi-belief, state-supported schools which strive to provide high-quality primary education. In 2013 and 2014, ETBs will assume responsibility for FOSS training centres and will work with SOLAS to provide a range of training programmes. As education and training service providers, ETBs are best placed to respond to the economic crisis. ETBs deliver and administer education and training programmes nationwide. Further education and training to over 200,000 adults annually. Youth Reach education programmes to 3,300 early school leavers. Post-Leaving Certificate PLC programmes that offer education and training to approximately 30,000 school leavers and adults and which are certified by QQI. Self-financing evening classes catering to 50,000 adults annually. A Back to Education Initiative BTEI programme that offers part-time education to 32,000 learners with qualifications less than Leaving Certificate level. Community education that caters to the needs of local groups and educates 53,000 people. A prison education service catering to 1,700 people. Skills for work training to 3,000 workers. SkillVec programmes which provide education and training to health service support staff. Adult literacy programmes catering to 57,000 people, including the provision of English language programmes to 11,000 people. Literacy and other training to local authority staff. ETBs are also involved in the organisation of outdoor education centres. Such deeply rooted, hands-on responsiveness continues to be the hallmark of the education and training board sector.